Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We about to do an old school sandwich, but we're gonna put a little twist on it. We're gonna chop it up. We're gonna show you how to make a chopped BLT sandwich. One of my favorite type of sandwiches, but chop it up. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our lettuce. I'm using that romaine lettuce for this particular recipe. You can use whatever lettuce you like. It's totally up to you. Have our tomatoes here, bacon salt in this dish right here, black pepper, we got mayo, some red onions, we have our bacon here, and right here we have our bread. I'm using this particular bread. I don't even know what it's called, but it's a soft bread. I really like it for this particular recipe. Now you can use a hoagie roll, totally up to you. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna start preparing our lettuce. So we're gonna roll it up like this, and we're gonna take our knife and we're gonna start slicing it into little thin pieces. This is what we have. Now we're gonna set this aside in a Tupperware bowl until we're gonna need it again, all right? Now we're gonna start preparing our tomatoes. Same thing, we're gonna start cutting it at this angle, and then we're gonna rotate it, and we're gonna cut it at another angle until you have a pile of diced tomatoes. We're gonna do the same thing with this particular tomato. Rotate it, cut it, and now we have a pile of diced tomatoes now. Same thing, we're gonna put this in a bowl. We're gonna set it aside until we need it again. So now we're at our cooktop. We're gonna prepare our bacon. We're gonna heat it up over medium heat. Start adding our bacon. And we're gonna cook our bacon until it's crispy or to your desired texture. It's totally up to you. I like my bacon crispy on my BLTs. All right, so it looks like we're good. We're gonna start removing our bacon. Guys, look at what we have. We're gonna sit them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain that grease. And now we're gonna start preparing our buns. I like my bread toasted when I eat a BLT. So we're gonna place this face down in our pan, leave your bacon grease in there. And once it's toasted like you want it, you're gonna remove it. See guys, like this. We're gonna add our other piece right here, do the same thing. Once it's toasted, we're gonna remove it, add our other piece of bread. Once it's toasted, remove that also. Now let's head back over to our cutting board, and we're gonna add our bacon here, and we're just gonna start chopping that baby up into little bitty pieces, just like this. Once you get it chopped up, we're gonna move it to the side, over in the corner. We're gonna bring back our lettuce and our tomatoes, and we're gonna start chopping once again. And we're gonna try to chop it as fine as we can. All right, let's add our onions. And we're gonna continue to chop, chop, chop. Once we're done chopping, we're gonna add our mayo. Get that mixed in, just like this. We're gonna add our bacon salt, our black pepper, and our bacon. And we're gonna get that mixed in just like this. You wanna make sure you get it mixed well. Now we're gonna take our bun and we're gonna start stuffing that baby, just like that. Look at that. Now all we're gonna do, get into our final presentation. And there you have it, guys, chopped BLT. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. All right, so it's quality control time. Let's bring our chopped BLT to the front of the congregation. Guys, look at that. Look at it from the side. Oh, man. Listen, guys, we all had a BLT. We know what it tastes like, but still, this one here is fire. Man, get you some bacon salt. They're gonna come in handy. I like it on this soft bun. It makes it really good. Of course, you can use hoagie rolls, whatever you wanna do. It's totally up to you. So, Till then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.